Explore the newly reopened Breakwater Inn, TSA-Friendly belts. Grand Kennebunkport Inn, reopening. The Breakwater Inn, a 35-room boutique hotel located where the Kennebunk River meets the Atlantic Ocean, has reopened after extensive renovations. The hotel blends historic 1880s cottage architecture with modern amenities. Guest rooms feature harbor or river views, contemporary furnishings, and private baths with Bethel white stone vanities and spa-style rooms. Dining options include the Port Fish and Chop House and Mabel's Pantry. The inn is a popular wedding and special event destination on the Maine coast. Summer rates start at $319 per night. 207-967-5333. https breakwaterinmaine.com. Transformed Casa in Cartagena. Casa Carolina, a luxury wellness retreat in Cartagena, Colombia's historic walled city, offers 55 rooms and suites in a restored colonial mansion. The property features original Corallina stone, hand-painted frescoes, and artisanal finishes. Wellness amenities include a spa with Ayurvedic treatments and a yogashala for meditation and yoga classes. Dining options include Just Be, serving a plant-forward organic menu, and the rooftop gastrobar with a pool and Caribbean-inspired dishes. Summer rates from $300. +57 605 654 3330. https://www. Arcadia's Atlas belts feature a metal-free, contoured, low-profile A2 buckle that passes through TSA screening without setting off alarms. The micro-adjustable buckle offers a precise fit, and the durable plastic is designed for outdoor adventures. The webbing is made of 85% post-consumer recycled polyester and 15% rubber. Machine washable and dryable. Available in 13 colors, in standard and slim widths. $39.95. https://arcadebelts.com.